Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Google Drive's password on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Google Drive. Just go ahead and you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet also. And if you want to change your password here, just go ahead to your profile here at the top right in the corner. After, tap on this manage your Google account. And now in this page you have to choose this option which is Google password. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here you can enter first your currently password. If you're done here, you just have to tap on this next button here guys at the bottom. And now here you just have to verify first. Tap on continue. In this page you will see two columns, which is at the first option. At the first column you have to enter your new password, and also at the second column you just have to confirm your new password. Here I'm gonna enter it first guys. Now tap on this change password option. In this pop-up you just have to tap on this change password again. Now as you can see, there are information that password changed successfully, so you have to go back now. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one guys. Goodbye.